creating the sidebar. So we're going to go ahead and create a sidebar. Now, WordPress already has built a default sidebar that you see right here. And a sidebar is a very convenient way for the user to access various pieces of functionality that are part of your website. We're going to go ahead and add a text widget, so there'll be a text section to the sidebar. Again, the sidebar could be on the left side. We're going to go ahead and choose on the right side. And we're going to also add recent posts, but with thumbnails. So first, we're going to add the subscribe widget. So we're going to go to the subscribe page. This is the subscribe page. We'll go to the text tab, and we're going to copy all this code. Now, this is all the code that we copied and pasted from MailChimp. Exact same code. So we'll go to Appearances, Widgets. These are the available widgets that we have, and we want to go ahead and find the text widget. The text widget is probably the most common widget that will be used. You can either drag it to the section that you want, or we'll simply just add it right here. So the right sidebar is a sidebar that we're working at, so we're going to select right sidebar and then click Add Widget. It will appear at the bottom, so we're going to move it up to the top. You can move it wherever you want in terms of ordering. So we're going to paste that code for the subscription and click Save. You just paste it right into that window. So go ahead and visit Site, and there you'll see the subscribe box. Convenient, very quick way for the user to just simply enter their email address without having to go to the subscribe page. Next, we're going to add recent posts, but with thumbnails. Now, recent posts, that function is built into WordPress, but I want to have thumbnails. So those are the featured pictures that we assign to each page. Thumbnails adds a nice graphic touch, maybe entices a user to be a little bit more interested in accessing that particular post. So we're going to find the recent posts with thumbnails. There we go. And again, it's the right sidebar we're working with. It can simply be added straight to the sidebar, or you can just drag it to the sidebar. We're going to go ahead and add the widget. And again, it appears at the bottom. We're going to move it right underneath that subscription text widget. And then from here, we have a number of options. We can list how many we want to show. We only want to show a particular category. We can choose that. There's the all categories section. And we want to display the featured image. That's the whole point of this plugin. So we're going to click Save. We'll visit the site to see how it looks. And there you go. You'll see the recent posts. Again, if you don't want the thumbnails, you can just go ahead and use the built-in recent post feature that was already there. So we're going to go back to the widget section, and we can change the ordering through a simple drag and drop. We already have a recent posts with thumbnails, so we can just delete the built-in WordPress recent post that we have there. We just deleted that. We'll move the categories up. Looks good. Let's visit the site. And there we go. We're going to add some share buttons in the next section, but this is basically what the sidebar looks like.